Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam too many retries error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So for the first suggestion, it will be to give your Steam a fresh start by restarting your PC and trying it again. So if this error is the result of temporary glitch, then restarting your PC will be enough to resolve this problem. And then next, so if restarting your PC is not helping, then try resetting your Steam account password and then restart your Steam client and then try logging in with a new password to check if it resolves the error or not. Then next, if the error persists, you have enabled the Steam guard, then try deactivating the Steam guard and then change your account password. So after that, try logging in to check if it works or not. And if it works, then you don't get the error, then you can enable your Steam guard afterward. And then if you're facing any issues while changing your account password, then accessing the Steam website from your browser and change your account password from there. So once your account password is changed, go back to the Steam client and then try logging in with the new password. And then if nothing of the fixes that I've told you is helping you, then try accessing the Steam app. So visit the Steam settings and then remove your device from the authorized device lists. So restart your computer and then wait for around 15 to 20 minutes and then try logging into your account again. And if you still receive the error, then you should get in touch with the Steam support to report this problem as you have tried all the steps possible from your end. So it will be the best to report the issues to Steam support to get help from Steam's team. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.